So we're going to be installing some window visors all over again.
God, don't look at the mess.
Don't look at the mess. All right.
What's in the box?
So you pulled the rubber moldings out.
Voila. Oy.
Got the box cutter.
Came in handy.
So where did you say you picked this up at again?
eBay.
All right.
They're like 120 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, voila. That's some magic clips. Voila, voila. So then you have the two.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Looks like it's gonna be good.
Real deal, holy field.
I think.
Here.
Maybe that's the back.
I think so.
Like this is on that
That's
side.
it.
Let's see. Let's see quickly.
Voila.
Yeah, that makes
a
that makes way more sense. Yeah.
We have a match.
Mhm.
Okay, so these are the dock.
Yeah. The left side.
Why is it raining?
And that's the right side, I think. Cool. I think, you know, because it has little spots here,
Yeah, you
right?
put them on,
So this goes on here. It hooks into there. Then we'll peel back the double-sided tape. How long did you say it took?
Took me there like 5 minutes.
Took them 5 minutes, huh? All right. Well.
That was no rain though. But yeah, here's the strips. Just peel those.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's put these on. See how these guys go.
I was like driving. I was like, nah, I need my visors. The OEM ones look sick. So much better.
Yeah,
So much better than the ones I have.
These look like mine, actually.
Yeah, because these are like actual Mitsubishi ones, right?
So yeah. I'm assuming. Let's see how. There's no way. Are you sure it says it goes this way?
There's instructions.
Yeah, it does. Check it out. That's cool.
Aha! Okay, so I mean,
But we're gonna have to like wipe this down, man.
I know.
But yo, it hooks on pretty good.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Cool.
Alright.
Almost. You even think that it needs to?
3M?
Yeah. It ain't ever coming off once you use those.
That's what the guy was saying. He's like, yo, this 3M is like, as soon as it's on, it's on. Oh.
Knife talk.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I was just playing in my head.
You don't want to scratch
Can I get
these.
this
You don't want to scratch these. I think you've already scratched them.
It's a gift and a curse, I tell you.
Damn.
Gift and a curse. That's in.
Dang it. Stop putting it that way.
Oh my bad.
We shouldn't even be doing this on the car. Phil probably like, what are you guys doing? Get it off the paint. Get it off the paint.
Needs a paid job, Phil. Yo, what's a K1 speed? I forgot how much fun that like go-karting is.
Oh yeah.
I'm
Second
like,
place, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one guy, his car kept dying. Like every time I was trying to take him on the turn, so I ram into the back. I'm like, yo, this guy's trying to brake check me. So I was getting mad, and then he's looking at me and he's like, yo, I can't accelerate. So then some guy's visor popped off in like the middle of the race. So they stop everyone's car, and I'm like, he's like, all right, everyone go. And I'm trying to like press on the gas to go, and I'm not moving. And I see the guy in first place just like cruising off. I'm like, no, Monica, Menage. For the old school Fast and the Furious watchers, you don't know about that. Monica. Menage. Remember that jaw rule?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you win the race, you can have her too.
Fuck you, nigga. You ain't win. All right, let's see where these clips are.
So yeah, well, I guess we'll do like a test fit. Just- Where does all lay? Because it's gonna go like that, right?
Hey, how are you?
But
We do a test fit.
Looks splendid. Oh, it's coming down. What the
I don't
heck?
know. It's probably not a good idea to do this
Bastards.
when it's raining, no?
Bastards.
Do you like it though?
Yeah, they look sick. They look a lot better than.
Before.
Yeah.
What was
I
before?
felt so naked. I was like, oh, the rain. I can't even crack my window.
So we can dry it off and then just quickly do it, or
Nah, I'd rather just dry it off.
you want to send it with the.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
If you spend the money, you get what you pay for. Is the saying.
Before. After. Ooh.
Oh, you have the alcohol? You have the alcohol? Hey, can you try and get this off?
Which one? This one?
This one here. We'll zoom up close on this. See if you can get this
Don't mind my
pesky.
my cuticles. Oh, big
Do you
money.
get it? Oh, look at that. Damn, okay.
Freshly
Alright.
manicured nails. No, I'm joking.
All right.
No, you got that too.
We'll switch. You want to do it?
No, you got
Why?
that. You got the eye for it.
What are you talking about? It's evil. This thing keeps it where it needs to be. You just got to kind of, you just have to like make sure that this goes in here. And then after you push that up. I'll do this side. Okay, I got mine.
Yeah.
All right, so this is up. Oh crap, there should be some part up here. One side's finally complete. Just the molding. I think you can just open the door. I'm gonna do this part. Cool.
So we're gonna put on the second half of this, second part of the visors on.
You got the tape on? There you go. Good. You want to double check it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good.
Walked into a shelf at work yesterday. My head is so tender. It's so tender.
You're just getting tired?
No, I was close like to the rack. And I had to get something that like was under, but I didn't realize how low the higher one was. Cause like normally like there's certain places where like I could walk in completely and get it, but it was like this high. So when I went down, it just smoked my head.
And there you go. You just gotta put these little rubber moldings.
Good as new. Good as new. Thank you, sir.
I'm actually glad that you got
The original ones.
these ones, yeah.
They look so much better. So much better. The top feels so much better than the bottom. Use a window shopper. I think I'm going back to the iPhone gang.
Yeah. The iPhone 13's sick though. It's actually really nice.
I saw. I was like, man,
Like it's got that cinema mode.
it does look sick.
Like the design is like kind of like reminiscent of the older ones.
Like the four,
more
the
sharper
yeah.
corners, not really rounded. It's nice.
I said after Christmas. Yeah, I'm getting my girl that.
She's gonna know once this video.
No, I can't tell her.
I'll just bleep it.
I'm
Put
ge-
like a dolphin sound.
I'm getting my. Oh Lord.
Dude, oh, nice upgrade.
Thank you, sir.
So we just completed the new window visors for Omar's 2016 WRX, and it looks good.
Voila. Let me put up the windows.
And I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, and please subscribe. Okay. So, like that. Well, it's on now, right? Good thing. Okay.
Oh,
Good,
man.
that's good though.
Yeah, no, that's
Okay, that was funny.
Oh, you're on now.
I was like, how's that look? That look good? Yeah, that's, well, it's on now. I can't do nothing.